Welcome to Baikumi. Today we're making Onigirazu, which is a fun take on the Japanese rice ball called onigiri. Think of Onigirazu as more of a rice sandwich, which can be made with any number of tasty fillings. This is one of my favorite combinations, which showcases bacon, one of my all-time favorite foods. Let's get started. Please find the ingredients and tools at the end of this video and the recipe on baikumi.com. First, let's prepare the rice. We will need 2 cups of dry rice. I'll be using a rice cooker today. Please note that 1 rice cooker cup equals about 3/4 cup using a standard measuring cup. Measure 1 cup of white rice and place in a small bowl or rice rinser, and then measure 1 cup of brown rice and place inside the same container. I like using half white and half brown rice for best texture, but using all white or all brown rice works too. Rinse the rice under cool water until the water runs clear. This removes the surface starch for better texture. When finished rinsing, drain out the water and place the rice inside the rice cooker pot. I like to use water to help remove the rice into the pot. And when possible, use filtered water for cooking the rice for best flavor. Now, move the pot back and forth to even out the rice for accurate measuring. Fill the pot with water according to the lines inside. Split the difference between the brown and white rice water level lines for cooking 2 cups of rice. This is perfect. The water level is between the brown and white rice 2 cup lines. Place the pot inside the rice cooker. Now let the rice sit for 30 minutes. This allows the brown and white rice to cook evenly together on the normal white rice setting. After 30 minutes, it's time to start the rice cooker. Now let's prepare the bacon. Cook 1 package using a fry pan on the stove or baking sheet in the oven. I'll be using the oven today, and will line a baking sheet with 1 layer of bacon without overlapping. I'm using 1 pound of thick-cut Black Forest bacon. Bake in a preheated oven anywhere from 385 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to use 385 degrees because the bacon cooks nicely without burning. Check after about 15 minutes and flip any pieces if necessary to cook evenly. Then continue to check every 10 minutes, flipping the bacon as needed. Remove any pieces that are thoroughly cooked onto a paper towel-lined plate. Continue until all the pieces are fully cooked. And when finished, remove the baking sheet and turn off the oven. Transfer any remaining bacon to the plate. Now let's check on the rice. Once the rice is cooked, allow it to sit another 10 to 15 minutes. Now fluff by gently mixing with a rice paddle. Now the fun begins. It's time to assemble. But first, let's make some sriracha mayo. In a small bowl, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise with sriracha to taste. Stir together and set aside. This should be enough for 1 onigirazu. Grab a cutting board and place a piece of plastic wrap on top. It should be a little larger than a full sheet of sushi nori. Now grab 1 piece of nori and place the shiny smooth side down. This is for a nicer looking end product. Place the nori on the diagonal so it looks like a diamond. Fluff the rice again. Now place the rice in the middle of the nori. Form a 3½ inch square about 3/8 to 1/2 inch deep. Tear the bacon in half and place enough to cover the rice. Now place clean lettuce on top using either lettuce leaves or spring salad mix. I like using salad mix for ease and how it looks. Then drizzle the sriracha mayo on the lettuce. And finally, add additional rice on top, similar to the bottom layer. Now grab the plastic wrap and the nori at the top and bottom. Fold towards the center and gently press together. Now work the sides, folding towards the center, carefully tucking in the ingredients while folding. Secure the plastic wrap from the sides, and then secure the plastic wrap from the top and bottom. Grab a knife and cut in half. Maybe grab a sharper knife than mine. That's it, you're done. These won't stay well overnight, so make only what you'll eat. This will make about 5 to 6 onigirazu depending on the amount of rice used each time. Store any unused nori in a Ziploc. Be sure to press out the air and place in a cool, dry area. For longer storage, place in the freezer. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for more information or a printable recipe, visit bykumi.com. And don't forget to share your photos. We'll see you again soon. Jane! The ingredients today: white rice, Japanese or sushi rice, typically sold as short grain, but I prefer the nishiki medium grain rice for cost and flavor. Brown rice, short grain, sushi nori, a roasted Japanese seaweed, bacon, spring salad mix or green or red leaf lettuce, sriracha, this brand can be found in many local markets, mayonnaise, I like using Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise found in Asian markets. And for the tools, fry pan or baking sheet and oven mitts, paper towel lined plate and cooking chopsticks or tongs, cutting board and knife, plastic wrap, small bowl and spoon, rice cooker and rice cooker measuring cup, rice paddle and resting plate, rice rinser or small mixing bowl, Ziploc, gallon size, serving bowl.